जब जिंदगी आपको 100 मौके दे रोने के लिए, तो आप उसको 1000 मौके दें हंसने के लिए, क्योंकि जिंदगी खूबसूरत है। और इस खूबसूरत सफर को मजीद खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए हाजिर हैं हम विद अ फ्रेश न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ दुबई आई विद योर ओन होस्ट बिनिश। ये सफर बनता है सुहाना सुहाने साथ से, और ये साथ निभाते हैं सुहाने लोग। तो ऐसे ही किसी से आपको मिलवाते हैं, और वो हैं शामक दावर।
Shama's Summer Funk was back. An 8-week dance workshop offers enthusiasts the opportunity to learn techniques of Shamak style, contemporary, shabop, hip-hop and street funk and the Bollywood jazz. These workshops culminated a grand stage extravaganza, the Summer Funk 2013, where every class was a competing team and the show was enacted as a dance competition.
Well, actually, my judge here, Master Marzi from this lovely reality show, is actually here. Besides being my manager and my student and my instructor and my everything, now he runs my, he's the CEO of my company. He's here to judge the competition, but in my competition, there's not really any, we don't believe in, judging, we encourage. But after so many years, we said, let's do something, because the kids were saying, Shamak, have some, some goal, some competition. So I said, okay, once only we'll have a competition, and that's there today. And Marzi's come all the way and left my office to come and judge here, Master Marzi Udi Baba.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था कि दुबई के बच्चों में जितनी एनर्जी थी, आज हमें उसे स्टेज पर देखा। और जज ये तो करेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि इनका एक मोटो है कि सिर्फ एनकरेज करना, तो ये बुरा काम हमें करना पड़ा, तो हमने जज किया उनको। इनका सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है कि सबको एनकरेज करते, तो हमारा हैव फीट विल डांस मोटो भी रह चुका है, एंड वी ऑलवेज बिलीव इन दैट, एंड वी विल ऑलवेज बिलीव इन हैव फीट विल डांस, बिकॉज वी रियली डोंट बिलीव, इज टॉट अस वन थिंग, नॉट टू बिलीव इन discrimination. Anybody who comes on stage gets the right to dance, and they all have a right to dance. You have feet, you will dance.
अब वक्त है आपको कुछ और बैंग ऑन इवेंट पर लेकर चलने का, जिसके लिए दुबई मशहूर है।
Celebrating the fashion and style of some of India's exclusive designers, the Savog exhibition brought you fashion, home, accessories, edibles and jewelry. The full-day exhibition was held at the Samaya Ballroom, Ritz-Carlton, featuring the latest ready-to-wear and couture collections.
टीमा इज़ अगेन ऑन बोर्ड अपने कलेक्शन के साथ, और अब टीमा के साथ जो है तकरीबन 20 मोर डिज़ाइनर्स जो हैं हमारे साथ अब काम कर रहे हैं। तो उन सब के हम जो है यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट्स लेकर आए हुए हैं, और आप देख सकते हैं वी आर डूइंग रियली वेरी वेल नाउ।
Celebrity designers like Masaba Gupta, Kunal Ravan, Varoin Marwa invited the fashionistas to the lifestyle and fashion exhibition.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Varoin Marwa and I'm a Dubai-grown fashion designer, and it's a pleasure to be on your channel today and speak to you all. It's a privilege to be a part of Savogue. Savogue has been an amazing event with regards to fashion-centric people. A lot of people around the world have taken part in this, and I'm a very proud brand ambassador of the event. And it's my pleasure to speak to you and present my collection, which is my latest summer collection, which comprises of a lot of bright colors, as you can see what I'm wearing, as well as on the rack. There's very lightweight material fabrics which men can wear during summers, wear jackets, wear my Nehru jackets as well, which is something great for Dubai weather. And I hope my clients and my customers are shining and looking great as and when I see them in Dubai.
Kunal Rawal, I'm showing at Savogue in Dubai, and I'm here to tell you a bit about my collection at Savogue this time. Well, it's a summer collection. It's a collection inspired by all things me. So it stems from my karkhana. What you'll see is a lot of summer fabrics. You'll see a lot of poppy colors. You'll see some prints, and I think prints and print clashing are huge this season. So go out there, be trendy, keep clashing.
दुबई आए में वो सब कुछ है जो आप सोच सकते हैं, और आप बिल्कुल सही सोच रहे हैं। वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का।
A luxury couture house representing various talented designers from Pakistan and Dubai, ranging from bridal wear to western wear, all under the same roof. Carnival Fashion House is stored to a variety of designer jewellery suiting your every occasion need. Her name is synonymous with the Eleonora Annie signature salons, but what sets her apart is a difference between good and excellent. First makeup and fashion stylist in Lahore fashion scene, risen from a humble beginning of a home-run salon to an expanded empire, including Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, Multan, Faisalabad, Peshawar and Dubai. Stylized with Annie at Eleonora.